Well, we're in the car. We're not going anywhere. It's nighttime. Well, we are going somewhere, but we're not going to go camping, are we?
No, we're going to go on a little evening getaway.
We've got in a town not too far away from here by the name of Moberly. They have a city park there, and they've usually got a really nice Christmas display. We're going to go there.
Check it out.
And check it out and give you some video. We're going to, at some point in this video, it's probably going to be really short because we're going to show you what we've cooked this year. And we want to wish you, first of all, this is going to air on Christmas Day, isn't it?
Yep.
So we want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
If you don't forget to do it later.
And
do
a
it now.
Happy
Merry
New Year.
Christmas. Yeah.
We're planning on, after this video, taking a little time off, aren't we, dear?
Probably a few weeks.
Yeah, a couple weeks, just to regroup and figure out what we're going to do this year, right?
Yeah, we'll probably do some more, just some cooking videos for cold weather and comfort food like we did last year, probably.
Well, with me being with this stupid thing on my leg, it's kind of hard for us to go camping right now, isn't it? So hopefully we'll know something about that. We'll let you know what that's like. So at any rate, we'll see you at the park.
Alrighty. See you then.
is a house actually here in Moberly that we just happened to run across. Well, it is a block. They've got one of those. There's a thing on the radio, I think. Going that long. Out here now.
That reminds me of the tumbleweed tree in Chandler, Arizona.
This week, besides lighting the candles of hope, peace, love, and joy, we also light the Christ candle, which is a white candle